Welcome. It's nice to have you here.
I'm so glad you could come. This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will.
Okay, we've gotten the extruder more or less done. Now it's time to get ready to mount it. So we have a couple zip ties here, and let's see. You see these little bitty slots here, here, there, and there. It's kind of slick. You take the zip tie, and they've put in these grooves so that you can feed the zip tie in, and it'll come back out the top. How cool is that? Now what they want you to do is try to hold the shaft and then try to move the extruder to see if the belt um, tries to jump off the thing. If it doesn't try to jump off the thing, you're good. And mine did not. It just tried to spin. Okay, now we can trim this belt. Okay. We recommend getting a white marker, but you can also trim the belt without it. Measure the part which must be trimmed and gently take the end of the belt away from the X carriage to make sure that at least 3 to 4 teeth are still in the X carriage, as you don't want to lose the tension. If possible, make a mark where to cut the belt. Ensure again your mark is in the correct position and the belt is still stretched. Using pliers, cut the belt. Alright, well, I'm going to get something different than these needle nose to cut the belt. I got some diagonal cutters here. They work a lot better because I don't have to, what they recommend you doing is pulling this out away so that way you can cut the belt. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use my diagonal cutters here and cut the belt. So we take this. This is a filament, and as you can see, it's much larger than this other filament. At least 1.5 times the diameter. Okay. Need to cut it at an angle. I have no idea where that went, but okay. This is weird. What I need to do, there's a hole right here above the bearing. I need to insert this into the hole essentially until it stops going, and then when it's done, I should be able to pull on it. It won't come out, and it should kind of flex the oh, I guess it came out. It should kind of flex these, so you just I Son of a bitch. I want to say I got it in there. That is flexing, and I cannot pull it out without like extremely pulling on it. So I would say that's in there. Hopefully that's what that means. Well, that's a big deal. That's without a doubt the hardest part of this is building the extruder and all that. That took several hours to do that. I don't even know how many. I'd have to go back and look how much video footage I have. I'm going to take a bit of a break. We'll come back and we'll work on the LCD screen. So see you guys there next time when we work on the LCD screen. Take care.
I don't want to leave this place. It's so fluffy.